You think deleting apps will save you? Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, gone. But then you find yourself scrolling the clock, opening the weather, checking settings like they're social media. Because the problem isn't the apps, it's the itch, the craving, the reward loop you've built into your nervous system. You're not addicted to content, you're addicted to escape. Every notification, every swipe, every scroll, it's not about entertainment. It's about avoiding boredom, avoiding stillness, avoiding you. So what's the fix? Not deleting, replacing. Not with more apps, with discomfort. Step 1. Schedule boredom. 10 minutes, no music, no screen, no task. Just sit. You'll feel crazy. That's detox. Step 2. Make your phone hard to reach. Not off, not deleted. Just inconvenient. Put it in another room. Turn off color. Turn on grayscale. Slow it down so your brain stops reaching for it like candy. Step 3. Build a rival reward. Every habit dies when something better takes its place. Read, train, journal, walk. Something physical. Something earned. The brain doesn't crave nothing. It craves novelty. Give it something real. Because here's the truth. You don't want less phone. You want more presence, more focus, more real life. Deleting apps might feel like progress, but it's a band-aid. You're not fixing the loop, you're just pausing it. So don't go to war with your phone, go to war with your avoidance. Sit in silence, feel the itch, reclaim your brain, and if you feel like you're losing, good. That means you're finally playing the game that matters.